If you want to change your Instagram password, this tutorial will show you the quickest and easiest way to do it. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner. After that, tap on Accounts Center. Here, select Password and Security, and then tap Change Password. Now choose your Instagram account if you have multiple accounts connected. Next, enter your current Instagram password. Then type your new password and retype new password again to confirm. Make sure to use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your Instagram account secure. Once done, tap on Change Password or Save. That's it. Your Instagram password has now been successfully updated. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, password reset guides, and social media tips.